COVID-19 IgM and IgG Test Kit. Colloidal Gold. Please read the instruction carefully upon opening the test kit and strictly execute to the instruction. This test kit is composed of test card, sample diluent, blood lancet, disposable pipette, alcohol prep pads, instruction, and product certification. Before testing, please tear to open foil pouch and place the test card on a clean and level surface. This test kit is suitable for serum, plasma, and whole blood samples. Fresh blood samples are recommended. Fingertip blood test. Pinch the fingertip of the tester's left ring finger. Gently wipe and disinfect with alcohol pre-pads. Puncture the fingertip with a lancet to squeeze out the first drop of blood and wipe it off with alcohol pre-pads. Squeeze out the blood again and collect it with a disposable pipette. Put 1 drop of blood sample into the test card sampling well, and then add 2 drops of sample diluent immediately. Venous blood test. Put 10 microliters of serum or plasma or 15 microliters of whole blood with pipette into the test card sampling well, and then add 2 drops of sample diluent immediately. Please avoid bubbles when dropping the blood sample and diluent. The results should be judged after 10 minutes. Any interpretations of results are invalid for after 15 minutes. COVID-19 IgM and IgG Test Kit. Colloidal Gold. Features easy operation and it's suitable for quick detection at hospital. Test results are for reference only and should not be the sole basis for diagnosis and treatment. Cooperated with Chinese Academy of Sciences, Med has developed rapid diagnostic test kits for COVID-19 with a monthly productivity of 15 million units.